don't know what it is, but my mother ordered it from Amazon. So let's unbox it. Ooh, I'm excited. Guys, look at this. Look at the details, guys. I think this is my favorite. Look at the Spinosaurus. It is creepy, right guys? It's very hard and solid and made out of, and the mouth is made out of rubber. The tongue is, I don't know what it's made out. Guys, look at this beautiful creature. Look at the detail. This thing is super. I want to see behind. Look, detailed it very good. They didn't. So guys, Spinosaurus was known as the largest carnivores that ever ruled the earth. And also, it was a creature that could hunt on land and swim and hunt in the waters. Alrighty guys, here we all came to the end of this video. And please subscribe for the Spinosaurus. And if you don't, he'll eat you. And if you liked this video, hit the like button. And please subscribe to this channel if you're new. Goodbye. Bye.